This is the easiest and most effective way to play solo in the 2-5 1-6 sequence in a minor key. In this example, the chords played are D half diminished, G dominant 7th, C minor, and A flat dominant 7th. These are chords of the 2nd, 5th, 1st and 6th steps in the key of C minor. The chords D half diminished and G dominant I will play F with a diminished arpeggio, C minor, and A flat dominant F sharp with a diminished arpeggio. Nice viewing. Thank you for watching. We will definitely continue the theme of diminished arpeggios in the next videos. Bye.